I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's game here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with Masicka. Yeah, man, Masicka. With Riddim, produced by Rvssian. We're going to say Rvssian. And the storybook Riddim. We react to the cartel one already. We're going to pin that one at the end of the video. Yeah? So make sure you go check it out. So we can jump in the one and see wagwan. Man, let's go, man. Masicka with Riddim. Let's go.
Say it every time.
Mama sexy. No joke.
Say it every time.
Every time. Wow.
Rich and me say it every time. Spend my money on you, can you find?
Yeah.
Girl, you fine. Me put you in the latest, me in my prime. Pussy they are the greatest, girl I know for why.
Yeah.
Love it cause you no basic, so you want to shine like me in the studio, but you there for my mind. Straight.
Yo. One thing, you can see some money spent on them video, brother. Rvssian, big up yourself, bro. You can see some money spent on them video, dog. Video them clean, brother. Clean. Standards are setting.
Say it every time. Rich and me say it every time.
Mama look good,
spend
bro.
my money on you, can you find?
Yeah.
Girl, you fine. Me put you in the latest, me in my prime. Pussy they are the greatest, girl I know for why.
Yeah.
Love it cause you no basic, so you want to shine like me in the studio, but you there for my mind. Straight to the top, you know me love you no design. Girl your skin it don't see me when me come in every time.
Yeah.
And if a currency me up in every kind. And you born that and nothing for my mind.
Yo, the man say for currency me up in every kind. No matter what kind of currency me have it, bro. Me have it. And me have it no fight too. Oh, fuck yeah.
To the top, you know me love you no design. Girl, your skin it don't see me when me come in every time. And if a currency me up in every kind. And you born that and nothing for my mind. Girl, your pussy worth millions, me have the dollar sign. So the two when we got together, me love it when you ride on. Love it when you ride on. Ride on. Say it every time.
Rvssian.
Say it every time.
Genocide, people represent in the comment section. If you're not watching from Bumbleclad Instagram, drop a like and drop a follow, man. TikTok, the same thing. Ready? Alright.
You in the latest, me in my prime.
Yeah.
Pussy they are the greatest, girl I know for why.
Yeah.
Love it cause you no basic, so you want to shine like me in the studio, but you there for my mind.
Alright.
Straight to the top, you know me love you no design. Girl your skin it don't see me when me come in every time. And if a currency me
up in every kind.
And you born that and nothing for my mind. Girl your pussy worth millions, me have the dollar sign. So the two when we got together, me love it when you ride.
Alright.
Love it when you ride on. Ride on. Girl your pussy worth millions, me love it every time, girl. That's how we find me, I can't not decline. Bring the riches on your foot, you know the time. Till then do.
Yo, mama cock up, you know. Yo, mama cock up is a 10 in a brother. Mama cock up is a 10.
Can't not decline. Bring the riches on your foot, you know the time. Till then do my spot, I want me sign. Rich and me say it every time. Spend money on you, can you find? Do your hair and your nail get alright? Spend money on you, can you find? Do your hair and your nail get alright? No girl can't hotter than you outside.
None.
Rich and we say it every time. Spend my money on you, can you find? Can you tight, you can ride. No girl can't hotter than you outside. You deserve anything you want, princess, you get the world. Bring your dreams, them to life, pretty girl. Bring it tight to me. You bring it tight to me. Hey, you deserve what a pretty dolly girl, your body full of curve. Regular we quarrel, girl, and you get on my nerves.
Yo, some Bumbleclad girl out in the world. How man turn Batman, brother? How man love man, bro? Some Bumbleclad. Look on the girl, bro.
What a pretty dolly girl, your body full of curve. Regular we quarrel, girl, and you get on my nerves.
Watch it. We're distracted. I am distracted.
What a pretty dolly girl, your body full of curve. Regular we quarrel, girl, and you get on my nerves. Love you till the last day, I love you from the first. Couple million in our purse, man rich in our turf. Put a bitch in our place, you a star from birth.
Yeah man, put a bitch in our place.
Anything you say you want, you want. Got it for real, everything we do it rich and we say it every time. Spend my money on you, can you find? Go do your hair and your nails, get a ride. No girl can't hotter than your own side. Rich and me say it every time. Spend my money on you, can you find? Go do your hair and your nails, get a ride. No girl can't hotter than your own side. Rich and me say it every time. Spend money on you, can you find? Do your hair and your nail, get a ride. No girl can't hotter than you outside. Rich and we say it every time. Spend my money on you, can you find? Can you tie, you can ride. No girl can't hotter than you outside.
Fuck. Shane Creative, big up yourself. That one is real creative, big up yourself, Shane. Yo. I'm telling this. First of all, big up Masicka, big up the video vixen, big up the girl in the video. She hot. I just Masicka and she alone is in the video, and the video 10 out of 10. Shane Creative, big up yourself for that. Rvssian, big up yourself, crazy production. Hear me I say though. Me could have never become an artist and have them type of girl like in me. Me that get exposed with every video me do. Me that get exposed. You know why? Because me that slide in a them girl at DM and tell them some more. Fuck them. Enough of them girl like that expose the message. Me no business. Me couldn't do it. I could not does it. I could not does it. Me would have literally started them DM. Yeah. Them too hot. Some I need it, man. Hot. Yo, but what can I say? The video sick, bro. Clean. It's sex. Masicka, big up yourself. Genocide people, and big up on yourself. Represent that comment section, man. And I'll catch you guys down there. Alright? Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do Def them.